pretty much Samsung has announced the Tab S7 FE pricing for the US. Hello everyone, my name is Lavon Cason, back at it again with another video. And this article is from The Verge, and Samsung's stripped down Tab S7 FE comes to the US starting at $529. And there's also a 5G model starting at $669. So let's keep on reading this article. The first version of the Galaxy Tab S7 FE to release in the US will be its 5G model. It'll be available to order starting Thursday, August 5th from AT&T, Verizon, and Samsung's own online store, with pricing starting at $669. It will also be available from other retailers as well as T-Mobile, US Cellular in the coming days. According to Samsung, meanwhile, the Wi-Fi model will be priced lower at $529 and will release beginning in September. Pre-orders of the Wi-Fi version open Thursday. That compares to a starting price of $649 for the Tab S7 Wi-Fi and $849 for its 5G version. Big selling point for the Tab S7 FE is its large 12.4-inch display, which is the same size as last year's $849 Tab S7 Plus, although it's LCD rather than OLED. Eternally, the 5G version of the Tab S7 FE is powered by a Snapdragon 750, while the Wi-Fi version has a Qualcomm 7325 chipset. Right at the specs are 4GB of RAM, 64GB of expandable storage, and a 10,000 milliamp 90 battery. And there's an 8 megapixel on the rear, a 5 megapixel camera on the front, orientated on the top while you're using the tablet in landscape. You also get an S Pen stylus in the box, which is helpful for note taking and sketching. As well as the Tab S7 FE, Samsung has also announced that the 5G version of the Galaxy Book Go laptop will be available from AT&T and Verizon this month. AT&T pre-orders open on August 5th, while Verizon's availability starts on August 13th. AT&T is selling the laptop for $799.99, basically $800. It will be available to pre-order on August 5th and will be available in the coming weeks, AT&T says. So, Galaxy Tab S7 FE will be $529 and it will be $669 for the 5G version. My thoughts on the pricing: I guess this is supposed to be their competitor for the iPad Air, I guess. So Tab S6, which is a tablet that was released in 2019, at the Snapdragon 855. You can get that tablet for around, say, $329 on Amazon, $339 on Amazon. And Tab S6 Lite on Best Buy, you can get that for $269.99. So $270. Like, how much is the iPad Air? Pretty much $50. The iPad Air for around that price, so $20 price difference, I guess. I wouldn't recommend this tablet, to be honest with you guys. Like, I'm trying to see a reason why you would get a Tab S7 FE, but I just can't see it. I'm sorry. I just can't freaking see it. I honestly cannot see it. You getting the Snapdragon 50, which I guess it's okay. Getting 4 gigabytes of RAM. 4 gigabytes of RAM on a $530 device? Really, Samsung? Really? You could at least put 6 gigabytes of RAM on the thing. 4 gigabytes of storage? I really don't see the point of anyone getting this tablet. I really don't. I mean, it has the large 12.4 inch display, but I don't think that's a strong selling point for this tablet. Like, I honestly can't see it. I think it's overpriced. Like, I'm gonna just be real. I think it's overpriced. I think it should be a little bit lower, like $400, you know, I could see it. And $500 for the 5G model. You know, that's what I think the pricing should be. But that's just me. So, me as a consumer, can I see myself buying a Tab S7 FE? Probably not. I don't see it. Because you could get a Tab S7 for about, let me look it up right now, $649. Like, if you were to get the 5G version of the Tab S7 FE, which starts at $669, it's basically a little bit more expensive than the regular Tab S7, which is Wi-Fi. So I'm honestly, like I said, I don't see the point of this tablet, to be honest with you guys. Like, I really don't see it. But maybe you guys in the comments might see a point of why Samsung is releasing this tablet, you know, other than to compete with the iPad Air that came out last year. Like, what would be a reason to buy a Tab S7 FE? Like, I want to know that. I want to know in the comments. Because I don't see the reason to buy this. But anyways, I've been rambling long enough. Thank you guys for watching. Peace and bye. So now that you have made it to the end of the video, I want you guys to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and when you hit that notification bell, you gotta hit all notifications, so that way you can be notified for future Lavon Cason tech videos, future Lavon Cason gaming videos, future Lavon Cason live streams, and also other videos that I do, such as, you know, reaction videos and things of that nature. Bye.